majungasaurus, Madagascar's top hunter. This particular female is blind in one eye, so she...
Like this 1,500-pound postosuchus.
Intimidated all challengers.
Is rare. So she's prepared to stay close and wait.
This is masiakasaurus, a female, 6 feet long, and she has a mouthful of needle-sharp teeth. Just what you need to deal with awkward, multi-legged prey.
It had two distinct modes, cruising and turbo burst. Both helped it cut through the water and close in on its prey. And at 30 feet and 3 tons, it didn't take no for an answer. Behaviors that come into play when liopleurodon hunts and...
But now, in near-adult bodies.
They're part of the reptile family tree, but are their own unique branch.
So, arthropods of one kind or another were certainly dominant 420 million years ago.
This tasty carrot for a tail, right? Hey! This psittacosaurus. Okay, here we go, psittacosaurus. Subject spotted. Now I can work.
A tiny dinosaur may have adapted to the sunless winters in a unique way.
Leaellynasaura
was a turkey-sized herbivorous dinosaur and was likely a permanent resident of the polar forests. Unlike larger dinosaurs, Leaellynasaura weren't big enough to walk thousands of miles to escape the polar winters, evolved to survive the dark polar months.
The skull has a large...
On land, killer birds see gone, but their descendants are on top of the food chain. In Messel's forest, diatryma rules. There's like the 15-foot-long plant-eating desmatosuchus.
Likes you. Now sing the chorus. It's working! Let's keep singing. Sinornithosaurus, she really likes you. Now sing the chorus.
Saurus, the apex predator of the Arctic. The Nanosaurus